Hello guys, welcome to fantastic course of LangGraph. Basically, what is LangGraph? It is a framework that is used to build the agents and chatbots in a very easy way. In this video, we are going to discuss that why to choose LangGraph and what we are going to cover in this course. Basically, LangGraph provide you low-level infrastructure support to build the agents. Mean you have full control over your agent. Means you control your agent, what will be the workflow. So if you want full control, just use the LangGraph. Another good point is LangGraph is used to build very complex agents. No matter how complex your workflow will be, so LangGraph will be enough. And you are able to add human in the loop in LangGraph. For example, you want to build flight booking system. You tell your whole information to chatbot. For example, it is my name. I want to go from Pakistan to USA maybe. And I want to go on October 10th, for example. So if your some information is missing, chatbot will ask you, hey, can you provide me this information please, maybe your phone number. So when you type your phone number, then chatbot will ask, it is your name, it is all the flight information, can I book your flight? So when you confirm yes, book my flight, then it will confirm. So that is the purpose, to add human in the loop. I believe you get the point. Okay, now let's discuss what we are going to cover in this course. First of all, we are going to cover the streaming topic, like how to do streaming in LangGraph and how to attach different tools with our LLM. Like maybe your chatbot will do Google search, and we also see that how to build our custom tools and how to attach it. We'll see these topics later on, don't worry. After that, we will see how to data persistence work and how to manage the memory in chatbot. Like different user will have different sessions and different memories. After that, we are going to learn about time travel. So don't worry, we are not going in the future or in past, but our agent will go. Then we will learn about multi-agent system. Like maybe you have main agent. Under main agent there are different sub agents, like one agent maybe do Google search, another agent do maybe analysis, and another agent maybe make the marketing plan for your company. So we will see this, how to build it. And of course we'll cover add human in the loop. After that, we'll see how to bound our LLM with the Pydantic class. Means if you want some structured output from your LLM, maybe in JSON format or in list format or only string, so we'll see how to do that. And of course we will cover MCP, model context protocol, so don't worry about it, we'll see this. And there is another interesting topic, subgraphs, like how to add subgraphs in our LangGraph. And last but not the least, how to deploy our chatbot or agent so everyone will be able to access it. So after deployment, we'll see how to trace our agent or how to evaluate our chatbot. And that is the plan for now. And we will also see that how to add fantastic UI in our chatbot, maybe with the help of Chainlit or Streamlit. We'll cover later on, so don't worry. So at this point, you know that why to choose LangGraph and what we are going to cover in this course. Means you have answers of two most important questions, like why to do and what to do. So the third question is how to do. We will see this in next video, how to do that. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in next class.